Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Maeda, وكيف يحكمونك وعندهم التوراة فيها حكم الله ثم يتولون من بعد ذلك وما أولئك بالمؤمنين. Translation: But how can they come to you asking for a judgment while they have Torah with them, wherein are the clear commands for judgment by Allah, yet even after that they turn away? For those are not the believers. In fact, in the previous ayahs we have studied about a Jew man and woman who were from their higher society and they committed adultery, and the punishment of adultery was rajam, that is stoning to death. But they wanted to get another decision and they did not want this man and woman get rajam, so they thought that if they bring that case to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam might give the punishment of whips, which was the punishment in Quran, and they knew that in Quran the stoning of death punishment is not commanded. So with that intention they came, and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave the decision that they should have the punishment of rajam, which was written in Torah, and then they tried to back off, but a Jew scholar Ibn Surya was involved, who was the expert on Torah, and he testified that yes, the punishment of such a man and woman is rajam, and then they had to accept the decision of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. In today's ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that it is very strange that they are making Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam the judge and bringing their own cases to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, despite of the fact that they have Torah, which is the book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and they accept it as a book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, but they are trying to find another decision other than what is written in Torah. And the reason for this is in their hearts they do not have the belief, and not only they disbelieve Quran, they also disbelieve Torah, because if they had believed in Torah, they would have taken the decision what is written in Torah, and they could have decided this case themselves, but they did not do so. In the next ruku, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning the Torah in Injil and how good those books are and how much knowledge and guidance were in those books, but they did not take care of the books and they did not follow the books. And the results can be seen today that we don't even know what was the actual book and what were the actual commandments. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the end sent a book of Quran to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, which encompasses and has all the guidance, and it will supersede all the previous books that have been amended. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has taken the responsibility of guarding that book himself, so nobody can alter that book. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.